Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Wash and fully dry your hair so strands cling and form. Section roughly, think zones, not perfect parts, so roots meet evenly. Once done, palm roll each section tightly for 3-5 minutes to encourage knotting. You're training the shaft, not forcing perfect ropes. Apply a tiny bit of natural beeswax or locking balm only where frizz resists. Too much stalls locking. Make sure to leave sections loose at the tips so they dread, not mat into a single mass. Now you move into steady maintenance. For weeks 2-12, palm roll each section with consistent pressure. This speeds knot migration and aligns strands. Once done rolling, sleep on satin to prevent new frizz and preserve formed coils. Make sure to shampoo 1x per week with residue-free shampoo to remove buildup. Rinse thoroughly and palm roll while damp to aid forming. If you see loose hairs, tuck them into nearby dreads instead of cutting. Patience now saves awkward fixes later. At 3 to 6 months, your dreads are mostly set and you finish by refining shape. You can join tiny sections with palm rolling or a 1.015 mm crochet hook for stubborn loose hair. Move slowly to avoid thinning. Once done grooming, trim uneven ends and tidy roots where necessary. If a dread unravels repeatedly, cut back washing frequency and palm roll more. If matting occurs, gently separate with fingers and avoid aggressive combing. Keep routines simple and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.